Indiana sign. So we're in Indiana now, and I'll show you their street signs. They put a rectangle with the word Indiana above it. Oh, there's one coming. I don't know if you'll be able to see it through all the rain, but basically you have those rectangles and it says Indiana at the top. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try this again with the wipers going.
Take exit 348 on the right toward US 20.
Okay, that line. Nope, I don't think so. That doesn't have it either. Alright, I saw Love's on the way. So let's pick up Indiana's magnet. Hopefully they have it. Alright, we got this one, 641. Oops, can't see the receipt. There you go, 641. Okay, this map's definitely not going to work, so I'm going to have to probably break it off and move it over there and then figure something out with that. Alright, let's continue on. We're going to get to the charger in about 2 hours or so, maybe less, and yeah. Okay, it looks like the Indiana Welcome Center is in 2 miles. Let's see if they have a welcome sign. This isn't the same welcome to Indiana sign, but here you go. Chief Indiana welcomes you. I'm gonna go walk far away to the other one. Okay, they have this. They have a windmill thing, or windmill thingy. What's this? Farmers and mechanics. That door's like weird sounding. Why do they put fake water sounds? They could just make a little fountain. This little house of corn. Oh, I don't need to watch this video, but they have this here if you decide to come here. Have this deck thing. Gift of glaciers. They have a boat up here. I can see a little bit of it. This side, oh, they have another one. You can browse a scrapbook here. They're like, is that you in the Cybertruck? That thing looks awesome. The bathroom was making like some weird squeaky sounds like some animals. I was like, what is that? And they're like, that's the bathroom. And I was like, what? Beautiful Steuben County. Steuben. Some acknowledgement. They have some school stuff. What is that? Oh, LED torch thing. I'm gonna walk to the far away welcome sign because I like that one better than that water tower. You can see some random stuff here. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go to the welcome sign and we're gonna continue on to the Capitol. See, I'm walking all the way. That sign, the dark one in the distance over there. We passed it earlier. Hopefully a car's not gonna come here and hit me. Nice, it has a little walkway here, kind of. Kind of. If a car comes, I'm gonna have to jump into the grass just in case. Go, more to discover in Indiana. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, it says cars to the right, trucks to the left. What about pedestrians? Where do I go? No overnight parking, camping, or yeah, anyways. Overnight parking or camping is prohibitido. Let's go. Back to the car, and then to the next charger, and we'll probably go to the Capitol tomorrow morning. They got a truckload of Prime, and it's not Amazon Prime. Walmart. I'm surprised Prime didn't get in trouble for using the Prime name when Amazon Prime already took the Prime. So there's Indiana's flag. Blue one with that torch thing. Alright, 139 miles to go. Let's go.
After Indianapolis, we go to Ohio.
Yep. Yeah, people are like, was that you? Was that your Cybertruck out there? That thing's sick. That triangle building. Alright, let's go. Police passed me and they didn't even care. I think it's a roadwork 55 speed limit. I don't know.
Now keep left to take Interstate
Everybody's going
69
like 70
south.
something. Oh, never mind. It's 65 speed limit. No wonder why they didn't care. Right now in Indiana, it's 10:38 p.m. 71 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Interesting. It got warmer now.
Now
here.
keep left to stay on Interstate 6.
It's this random tree in the middle of nowhere. Not to show a clearer view of the Indiana thing. If you can see it. There you go. It said Indiana. What? Is that the Nestle company? Nestle's here? Where's the company? Is it just that giant building? I don't know. Oh, is that the
Now take exit
supercharger?
205 on the right.
Let's go. We're in some kind of downtown area.
In
What is
500
this?
feet, turn right onto Municipal
Big
Drive.
hotels and stuff. Alright, says to turn right in here. And then where do we go? We're supposed to go up into some parking garage. Whoa, what is this? I don't know, but we're going in. Where's the garage thingy majigger?
Now turn right to stay on Municipal Drive.
Okay, isn't it a garage? I'm confused. It looks like they have a memorial thing here. I guess I'll have to go there in the morning.
Now turn right onto North Street.
Alright. Where's the garage?
Now turn
Oh, here
right.
it is. Parking. Do I have to pay to go in here? Okay, it said the destination's on the right, but I'm pretty sure it said it's like on the second floor or something. So, I'll be careful. Clearance is 7'2", so I need to make sure the car stays on low setting. Alright, we're going up. Second floor. Where is it? I don't see him. I still don't see it. Level 2, level 3. We're gonna end up just going up and then back down. I probably passed it. Never mind, the thing said third floor, so. Now we're on third floor. Here we are. Here are the chargers. Get those guys. Alright, anyways. Okay, you can see we're at 17% right now. I'm gonna plug in, let's see. So got these slow chargers. 3D. Okay. These ones are actually plugged in the right way. See? The cable comes from there and then it goes away. But anyways, we'll plug in. Let's see how long. Let's see how fast or slow this charges and how long it will take. Let's see if I want to charge to 100. How long is that gonna take? It says it's a 74 kilowatt hour charger, so let's see what it does here. It stops at 70, so it's gonna take almost 2 hours to charge this thing. Jeez. Alright, dinner time. Finishing up the shrimp and rice. And yeah, veggies as well. Alright, let's go to the Circle K, the restroom, and then we'll probably come back here and then sleep until morning. Let's go. It's pretty much 1 a.m. Still 72 degrees outside. Alright, back to the parking garage to take a nap or sleep. Alright, we're back here at the Chargers. Let's see if I can get in here. You can see switch office reserved parking 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. but it's Sunday now, so should be fine. Alright, so here you can see in here.